Well, here we are at MaxsGarajMahal, Hustler Mower Owners Hall of Fame. Well, we're going to have a Hall of Fame very soon, so make sure you guys subscribe to these videos, like them, share them, and we'll start trying to get us a Hustler Mower Owners Hall of Fame together pretty soon. We want the Hall of Fame for dealers, lawn care professionals, as well as residential owners, and even if you're just mowing your aunt's yard, that's fine. So here we go. We're going to do something here in just a moment. People have asked me about these skirts. Now I've removed them from the front of the old Hustler Raptor SD there, and I've got them laid out here. This one is on the left side of the deck. This one goes to the right side of the deck. And I'll show you how tough these things are. Can you see how this is abraded here? That's 2 years of this nonsense. And they're always set almost as low as they go. They're set right here. They could go down another ½ inch. And they probably will when they go back on. But these things have been drug over curb after curb after curb. And yeah, you can rub them through. But as you can see here, these have only lost maybe an 1/8 inch total in 2 years. So if you invest, let's say, $20 in HDPE to make you a set of these things, and this right here, they always require these cuts, and these go up underneath, and I've got mine set up so they overlap on the front. They go underneath the or up around your anti-scalp mounts, so they slide up under it like that, or over it. And these things are well worth it. I just mowed without them, got all covered up. These things really do block a lot of the grass from blowing back out of the front of the deck, so they're worth it. And I am going to go ahead and do the back. And while I had this off, I was suffering from crop circles. So if you're suffering from crop circles, make sure that you level your deck. If you have to level the thing twice a year, 3 times a year, level your deck and you'll be a lot happier with your cut. We'll swing around here, and if you look way down there, I didn't cut down low enough today to really level it completely out to get down to the bottom of the crop circles, because they were pretty bad. They were about 1.5 inches deep, and today I only took off about 3/4 inch, so there's still about 3/4 inch for the most part of the ones that remain. So that just gives you an idea how much nicer your yard can look if you will level that deck. So here we are. We're going to get back over here, and again, we're going to touch on something here. If you look down there on the deck, you'll see that pencil line. So it has a level line all the way around from the top and from the bottom. We split that difference at the top of that wear band, and we drilled our holes through there. We used 5/16 24 stainless steel hex head bolts, and we used stainless steel fender washers, and you can get an idea here of the size of them. They're 1.5 inches with a 5/16 inch hole. So basically that's really all you need to make those things. You can make that out of rubber. I recommend these right here because they're not going to hang you up. You can go over a curb, and I left my deck set at the 3 inches I mowed just a moment ago, and that gives you an idea of how close to the ground. Now I'm also partly on an incline here, pretty good incline. So the front end's setting up on the concrete, rear end's off, as you can see, and that just shows you the kind of clearances when that HDPE is setting down 2.5 inches below the deck surface. That tells you how much you rub that thing all the time, and that's how tough that stuff is. So if you got anything out of this video, please subscribe, please hit that like button, and there are lots of like buttons pushed, and hit that notification so you'll learn when I've got something else coming up for you. And by the way, I really do enjoy my tachometer and my fuel gauge. Guys, you ain't got your fuel gauge, you need your fuel gauge. Ain't that sweet? Anyway, what we always say here at MaxsGarajMahal, y'all come back and see us now. You hear?